In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a second brain in Notion. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of information you need to keep track of, or if you're constantly battling with scattered notes and bookmarks, then creating a second brain in Notion might just be your perfect solution. We're starting with the first major component, your resources. This is where you'll store all the important info you gather from the web or elsewhere, a kind of centralized library for your digital brain. So, let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to your primary Notion workspace where we'll create a new main page. This page will serve as the hub for your second brain, organizing everything we'll construct today. In this main workspace, create a new page and title it, Resources. Now, this Resources page will act as a collection center, where you bring together all kinds of informational gems you encounter, be it bookmarks, web clippings, or embedded content. Essentially, anything that qualifies as a resource for you should find its way here. Take a moment to think broadly about what you generally collect from the web or other apps, news articles, academic papers, creative ideas, or even video links. All these should contribute to building your brain trust. Once your resources page is set up, dive into it where the real magic happens. Within this space, we're going to create a table database. Think of this database as the beating heart of your second brain. It's where all your resources get sorted and categorized, ensuring everything you need is always at your fingertips without getting lost in digital chaos. To set up the table database, click on the option to add a block, and choose Table Database. This type of database is particularly powerful because it allows you to organize information in a structured manner. You can label columns for different purposes like the title of the resource, the author, date added, or even tags that help with categorization. As you begin populating your resource database, remember that it's not just about hoarding information, it's about creating a personal knowledge library. Each entry in your database should be meaningful, something you can refer back to and utilize in the future as needed. With this, you've successfully laid down the foundation of your second brain by creating a concrete system to capture and utilize your valuable resources. It's a huge step in building a digital space where information is no longer fragmented but collected, connected, and ultimately useful. I trust this guide has made it easier for you to begin your journey in Notion, and to start untangling the tons of information you encounter daily. As you continue adding to your resources, your Notion second brain will grow, evolve, and become an indispensable part of your work and creative process. Happy building!